Hey everyone, wanted to show you here what would happen if you have trouble with the Google Drive assignment. So let's just, again up front, I'm going to say that I'm not logged into Google Drive, and I want to get into a Google Drive assignment. I want to show you what kind of an error message you're going to see and how you resolve this. So again, I know that values and spending assignment is a Google Drive assignment. So I'm going to open this up. And again, same thing, directions will be here. Additional downloads you'll find at the very bottom. Sometimes it could be a long list. If there's a rubric, if I'm using a Google Drive rubric, that will be shown here as well. So you may have to scroll through this page to find more information. But if I go to my document, what will happen is if I'm not logged in, currently logged in to Google Drive or Google itself underneath your CVSD account, or if you're logged in another account, if you're logged into another account, you might get a request access. But notice how you get this message right here. It's refused to connect. It's because you are not logged into Google. So I'm going to open up a new tab, come up here to, I'll just go to Google. That might be the easiest way to do this. Okay, sign in. Come on down here and log in with my school ID. Go back to this page. I'm going to try to refresh it. First, I hit my Chrome refresh button and it should load. The worst case scenario is you would close out of this and go back into the assignment this way. But this is going to be something that does come up from time to time. If you're not logged in or logged in underneath the personal account, it's going to request access. So you simply have to log off and log back in as yourself. And worst case scenario is you got to exit out of the assignment and come back in. But you should be able to get back into it without any problem in the future if you are logged in. If you stay logged in, you'll have no trouble. Again, please contact me if you do.